Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject Mathematics.
Welcome back student. Today we are going to learn chapter 2 exercise 2.2 7th sum find. A sum 1 by 2 of first one is 2 3 by 4, second one is 4 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. 1 by 2 of means multiplication, okay. 2 3 by 4 means it is a mixed fraction, so change into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4, okay. Here you cannot do cancellation. 1 by 2 11 by 4 and the cross numbers you cannot do cancellation. So 1 into 11. So the product of the numerator, the product of the denominator. So 1 into 11 by 2 into 4. So 1 11 is 11, 2 4s are 8. It is a improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction, okay. 11 divided by 8. So 1 8 is 8, 11 minus 8, the remainder is 3. So the quotient is your whole number, remainder is your numerator and divisor is your denominator. So the answer is 1 3 by 8. The second one 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 of means multiplication. 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38. The denominator is 9, okay. 1 by 2 you cannot be cancelled. 38 by 9, 38 by 9 you cannot be cancelled. So the cross numbers you can be cancelled. 1 2 is 2, 19 2s are 38. So the numerator you have 1 into 19, the denominator you have 1 into 9. So 1 into 19, 19, 1 into 9, 9. So the answer 19 by 9. It is a improper fraction, so change into mixed fraction, okay. 9 2s are 18, the remainder is 1. The quotient 2 is your whole number, 1 is the remainder is your numerator, the divisor 9 is the denominator. So finally the answer is 2 1 by 9. Eighth sum. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Went means go for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water, okay. The water bottle, the total capacity of the water bottle is 5 liters and Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Vidya, a girl, only consume means to be used, only use 2 by 5 of the water, okay. And Pratap consumed the remaining water to be used for Pratap. First question is how much water did Vidya drink? Second, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Okay, in writing fraction. Vidya and Pratapனு ஒரு ரெண்டு பேரும் என்ன செய்றாங்க, ஒரு பிக்னிக் போறாங்க. அவங்க அம்மா வந்து ஒரு 5 லிட்டர் பாட்டிலை வந்து வாட்டர் பாட்டிலை கொடுக்குறாங்க. வித்யாங்க அந்த கேர்ள் வந்து 2 by 5 ஃப்ராக்ஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டரை மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கா, சரியா. அவங்க வந்து குடிச்சிருக்காங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். பிரதாப்ங்க பாய் வந்து மீதி இருக்கிற ரிமைனிங் போர்ஷன், ரிமைனிங் வாட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கலாம், அது வந்து பிரதாப் வந்து அந்த பாய் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், வித்யா வந்து எவ்வளோ தண்ணியை அவள் குடிச்சிருப்பாங்கிறது. ஏன்னா இங்கே ஃப்ராக்ஷனில் இருக்குது, நம்ம வந்து லிட்டர்ஸில் அதை ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும், ஓகே. அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன் வந்து ஃப்ராக்ஷனில் நம்ம எழுதணும். பிரதாப் எவ்வளோ வாட்டரை வந்து குடிச்சிருக்கான் அப்படிங்கிறத வந்து நம்ம ஃப்ராக்ஷனில் எழுதணும், ஓகே. திஸ் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின். லெட் அஸ் கண்டினியூ அவர் சொல்யூஷன். Eighth sum solution. Total quantity of water is 5 liters. First question is water consumed by Vidya. In the given question, Vidya consumed only 2 by 5 of the water. Okay, consume only 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 of the total quantity is 5 liters. So 5 L. Okay, 2 by 5 of means multiply 5 liters. So this 5 is cancelled. The remaining is 2 liters is the answer for water consumed by Vidya. We find out the water consumed by Pratap. The remaining water consumed is Pratap. So total quantity of water is 5 liter. The water consumed by Vidya is 2 liters. So 5 liter minus 2 liter, the answer is 3 liter. So water consumed by Pratap is 3 liter. But the second question is write in fraction. Fraction of water consumed by Pratap equal to this. The 5 is the total part, okay. The total quantity of water is 5. Pratap only consumed 3 liters. So 3 by 5 liters. So the answer first one is 2 liters. The second question answer is 3 by 5 liters. Example 6. Sushant read 1 by 3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will be read in 2 1 by 5 hours? இந்த பாய் வந்து சுஷாந்துங்கிற பாய் ஒரு புக்கை 1 ஹவரில் 1 by 3 பார்ட்டை, அந்த புக்கில் இருக்கிற 1 by 3 பார்ட்டை படிச்சிருக்கான். அப்போ 2 1 by 5 ஹவர்ஸில் அவன் எவ்வளோ பார்ட்டை அந்த புக்கில் இருக்கிறத படிச்சிருப்பான் அப்படிங்கிறதான் கொஸ்டின், ஓகே. லிசன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், 1 hour கொடுத்து நிறைய ஹவர்ஸ் 3 hours 5 hours இதை மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாங்கன்னா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணுங்கிறத ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும், ஓகே. 5 hours கொடுத்து 1 hourக்கு எவ்வளோ படிச்சிருப்பான் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாங்கன்னா டிவைட் பண்ணணும். So solution, part of a book read by Sushant in 1 hour equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, part of the book read by him in 2 1 by 5 hours equal to. So you have to multiply these two fractions. 2 1 by 5 into 1 by 3. 2 1 by 5, it is a mixed fraction, so convert into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. The denominator is a 5. So 11 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 3. Okay, you cannot be cancelled for the numerator denominator, here also numerator by denominator, and the cross numbers also you cannot cancel. Okay, so first you the product of the numerator by the product of the denominator, that means multiply by numerator and numerator, multiply by denominator by denominator and denominator. Okay, 11 into 1. So 11 into 1, 11, 5 into 3, 15. So the answer is 11 by 15. So part of the book read by him in 2 1 by 5 hours, only 11 by 15 part. How to split the fraction? 3 by 5 can be written as 3 is the numerator, so 3 into by 5, that means 1 by 5. So 3 into 1 by 5 or 1 by 5 into 3, both are same. Okay, 7 by 8 can be written as 7 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 8. Find out 1 by 2 into 5 by 3. 5 by 3 can be written as 1 by 3 into 5 or 5 into 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 5 by 3 equal to 1 by 2. The 5 by 3 can be written as 1 by 3 into 5. First two fractions to be multiplied. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 3, 6. So 1 by 6 into 5. Here 1 into 5, 5, the denominator is 6. So 5 by 6 is the answer. You have to split the fraction, the answer is 5 by 6. Normally we do this one. Okay, 1 by 2 into 5 by 3 equal to 1 into 5, 2 into 3. So 1 5 is 5, 2 3 is 6. So the answer is 5 by 6. Okay, so both are same. You have to split the fraction, the answer is 5 by 6. Normally we find out this method. So the answer also 5 by 6. Multiply two fraction as product of numerator by product of denominator. ரெண்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷனை நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன செய்யணும், அந்த ரெண்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷனோடைய நியூமரேட்டரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும், அப்புறமா அந்த ரெண்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷனோடைய டினாமினேட்டரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் அந்த டூ ஃப்ராக்ஷனை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறது ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே, the second one is the value of the products. When two proper fractions are multiplied, the product is less than each of the fractions. ரெண்டு ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன் நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த வர்ற ஆன்சரை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ப்ராடக்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும், இந்த ரெண்டு ஃப்ராக்ஷனை விட லெஸ் தேன் ஸ்மாலாக இருக்கும், ஸ்மாலர் தேனாக இருக்குங்கிறது தான் இதோடைய மீனிங். ஓகே, ஸோ 2 by 3ங்கிறது ஒரு ப்ராப்பர் ஃப்ராக்ஷன், 4 by 5 is the next another proper fractions. Okay, 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5. So the product of numerator, so 2 into 4 8, the product of denominators 3 into 5 15. So the product is now 8 by 15. This 8 by 15 less than the 2 by 3, this 8 by 15 less than the 4 by 5. இதை எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம், இதை விட இது லெஸ் தெனாக இருக்குங்கிறத எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். We already learned that if the denominator is different, you take the LCM and LCM வச்சு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், டினாமினேட்டரை சேமாக கொண்டு வந்து நியூமரேட்டரை வச்சு கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம். இது ஒன் மெத்தட். ஓகே, இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் மெத்தட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த டூ ஃப்ராக்ஷன்ஸை எடுப்போம். டேக் 8 by 15, 2 by 3, இது லெஸ் தெனா இல்லையாங்கிறத ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ 8 divided by 15. ஸோ 15ஆல் 8 டிவைட் நம்ம 8 15ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். 15, ஸோ 15 டேபிளில் there is no 8. ஸோ put the decimal point and 0, 8ஓட அந்த 0 சேர்க்கும் போது இப்போ என்னவாயிரும் 80. ஓகே, ஸோ 15 5s are 75, 80 minus 75, the answer is 5. So the quotient is your answer. So 0.5 is the answer for 8 by 15. Okay, the 2 by 3 answer is what? So 2 divided by 3. 3 table 2 வராது. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணும், டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் வச்சு அந்த நம்பர் பக்கத்தில் ஒரு 0வை ஜாயின் பண்ணிடணும். So 6 3s are 18, the remainder is 2. The quotient is now 0.6. 0.5 here 0.6. 8 by 15 answer is 0.5. 2 by 3 answer is 0.6. So this one is smaller. Okay, this 8 by 15 is smaller than the 2 by 3. And the next second fraction is 4 by 5. So 8 by 15 answer is 0.5. The 4 by 5 answer is what? So 5, this one, the 5 table, there is no 4. So put the decimal point on the quotient part and put 0. So number is 40. So 8 5s are 40. Okay. Here the quotient is, the answer is 0.8. So this one is the smaller. Okay. This one is smaller than this one. So 8 by 15 less than the 4 by 5. So product is less than each of the fractions. Two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the fractions. ரெண்டு improper fraction நம்ம multiply பண்றோம் அப்படினா அதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து அந்த கொடுத்திருக்கிற ரெண்டு ஃபிராக்ஷனை விட பிக்கரா இருக்கும். அப்படிதான் அதுதான் மீனிங். ஓகே. So example 7/3, it is an improper fraction. 5/2 is a improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. So the product of the numerator 7 into 5 and the product of the denominator 3 into 2. So 7 5s are 35, 3 2s are 6. So the product is now 35 by 6 greater than the 7 by 3, 35 by 6 greater than the 5 by 2. Okay. You have to multiply 35 divided by 6. 5 6 are 30, the remainder is 5. So 35 by 6, the answer is 5. Okay. 7 by 3, 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, the remainder is 1. Put the decimal point, add 0. So 3 3s are 9, the remainder is 1. The quotient is now 2.3. So 5 is greater than the 2.3. So 5 means 35 by 6 greater than the 7 by 3. Okay. And the 35 by 6 greater than 5 by 2. So you know that 35 by 6 answer is 5. So we find out 5 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 1. So put the decimal point, add 0. 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 2.5 is the answer for 5 by 2. So 35 by 6 answer is 5. 5 by 2 answer is 2.5. So 5 is greater than the 2.5. So that the product is greater than each of the fractions. When two improper fractions are multiplied, the product is greater than each of the fractions. Multiply a proper and improper fraction. Two fraction, one is proper, one is improper fraction. Okay. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction, 7 by 5 is a improper fraction. 2 by 5 multiplied by 7 by 5. So product of the numerator 2 into 7, product of the denominator 3 into 5. So 7 2s are 14, 5 3s are 15. So the product is now 14 by 15. This product is less than the improper fraction. This product is greater than the proper fraction. Okay. Now we find out 14 by 15 answer is 0.9. So 14, it is a small number. So put the decimal point. So 9 15 is 135, the remainder is 5. So the quotient is now 0.9. 14 by 15 answer is 0.9. The 7 by answer is 1.4. Okay. 1 5 is 5, 7 minus 5 2. Put the decimal point, add 0. So 5 4s are 20. So the quotient is now 1.4. So 1.4 here 0.9. So 0.9 less than the 1.4. Okay. So the second one is a 14 by 15. The product is 14 by 15 greater than the proper fraction. So 2 by 3 answer is 0.6. Here 2. So put the decimal point 20. So 6 3s are 18. The remainder is 2. So the answer, the quotient is now 0.6. So 14 by 15 the answer is 0.9 and 2 by 3 answer is 0.6. So 9 is greater than the 0.6. So the product is less than the improper fraction and greater than the proper fraction involved in multiplication. Okay. Dear students, today's homework exercise 2.2, page number 37, 6th sum, multiply and express as a mixed fraction, and 7th sum, find. Okay. Do your homework properly. Thank you. We will meet on next video.